Welcome back to G Fun Facts Online. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most fascinating subjects in neuroscience, the human brain. But not just any brain. We're exploring the autistic brain, an intricate and unique operating system that perceives and interacts with the world in a way that's truly remarkable. So let's reboot our understanding and explore what makes the autistic mind tick. Stepping into the world of autism is like exploring a different kind of mind, one that processes the world in a fascinatingly unique way. Far from being a simple disorder, it represents a distinct pattern of brain development. Let's start with the wiring. Imagine your brain is a massive, bustling city. A neurotypical brain might have a system of large, efficient highways connecting distant districts, allowing for rapid communication across the whole city. In contrast, the autistic brain can be thought of as having an abundance of highly efficient local roads within each district, but perhaps fewer of those big highways connecting them. This theory, known as long-range underconnectivity and local overconnectivity, helps explain a lot. The intense local connections could be the basis for the remarkable attention to detail and intense focus many autistic people have. Conversely, the reduced long-range connectivity might make it more challenging to integrate information from different brain regions at once. Cutting-edge research adds another layer. PET scans have revealed that autistic adults may have a lower overall density of synapses, the crucial junctions where neurons communicate. It's not a bug, it's a different feature, a fundamental difference in how the brain is built. So how does this different wiring affect something like social interaction? Well, scientists talk about a social brain network. In social situations, the brains of autistic individuals often show different patterns of activity. For example, when an autistic person and a neurotypical person interact, the electrical rhythms of their brains tend to be less synchronized. It isn't a matter of inability, but a different interactive style. This can manifest in challenges with the natural back and forth of conversation or in interpreting subtle, nonverbal cues. Now, let's talk about the sensory world. For many autistic people, the world is turned up to 11. Everyday sounds, lights, textures, or smells that a neurotypical person might not even notice can feel overwhelming, even painful. This is known as hypersensitivity. Conversely, some individuals may be hyposensitive, meaning they have a reduced response to sensory input and might seek out strong sensations. This is a direct result of how their brain processes sensory information. In response to this, many autistic individuals develop self-regulating behaviors, often called stimming. Repetitive movements like rocking, hand flapping, or pacing aren't meaningless. They are a functional and often necessary tool for managing a sensory environment that can feel chaotic and overwhelming. Finally, another hallmark of autism is the presence of repetitive behaviors and a tendency to develop deep, passionate, and highly focused interests. Neurologically, these traits are linked to specific brain circuits. What can sometimes be dismissed as obsessions are, in reality, a manifestation of a brain wired for deep focus. This ability to concentrate intensely can lead to an extraordinary level of expertise. And this is where we see some incredible strengths: a drive to understand and build rule-based systems, an exceptional ability to notice small details, an aptitude for logical reasoning, and a strong sense of honesty and justice. By understanding the intricate ways the autistic brain works, we move beyond a simple deficit-based model. We begin to see autism for what it is: a different way of thinking, perceiving, and being in the world, complete with its own set of strengths and a unique perspective to offer. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online. Until next time, stay curious.